Welcome back. This is going to be our root form of parabola homework review part 3. And in this one, we're going to be trying to find the standard form of the quadratic equation shown below for number 5. Okay, this is 5a, I think it is. You, of course, you have 5b to do on your own. So again, we do this one here and should be able to use the same exact techniques for the other one in this case. Okay. If you find the video helpful, please give a like. Really appreciate it. Leave any questions or comments in the comment section below. All right, here we go. So again, we want to use, we're not given the vertex. We can estimate, but we can't get null, but we are given 3 points. We're given, in this case, our x-intercept, or root 1, and root 2. So root 1 is going to be -2. That's the x value. Because we have our zeros to be -2 comma 0, and our R2 is equal to 3. Now, we don't know what A is equal to. We're given another coordinate. And so this other coordinate, we are given x is equal to 4, and a matching y value equal to -3. And so we're going to use our root form of a parabola, which is y is equal to a times x minus r1 times x minus r2. Now we'll solve for a by plugging in x and y. And then once we find a, because a is the unknown value here, I'll put down a, we don't know. Once we find a, we'll be able to fill in this case. So we have parenthesis for the y equals a times bracket for the x minus bracket for r1, close parenthesis, times bracket for x minus bracket for r2. So now we're going to plug in this case. So we'll plug in for y is equal to -3. Our x value is 4, so it's a 4 here and a 4 here. Our r1 is -2, and r2 is equal to 3. So now we're going to simplify here. We have -3 is equal to a times, now 4 minus -2 is going to be +6. And then 4 minus 3 is going to be 1. Well, that means -3 equals 6a. If I divide both sides by 6, a is equal to 1/2. Okay? So we know what this is now, and we're going to use the information we have for R1, R2, and A to help us figure out what the in this case, the root form of the parabola is going to be. So now for the root form, we get y equals a, which we're filling in, times x minus bracket, close parenthesis, times x minus bracket, which is R2. Let's see if I can move this over a little bit here. Yeah, there you go, just a little bit. And now plugging in a value 1/2. Our x value is -2, and the x values are other roots in this case is going to be 3. Not okay. Oh, and 1. Oh shucks, the 1 we got to fill in. No, it's actually we have a right. So no, what am I thinking? Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. X minus 3. So we have in this case y is equal to 1/2. X minus -2 is x plus 2, and x minus 3 is x minus 3. Now, to rewrite the standard form, all we're going to do is distribute, because this is going to be root form. Standard form is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So we're going to distribute here x and x and -3, 2 times x, and 2 times -3. So we'll have in this case y is equal to 1/2 times x squared minus 3x plus 2x minus 6, which is y is equal to 1/2 x squared minus x minus 6. And in standard form, we distribute. So y is equal to 1/2 x squared minus 1/2 x. Now 1/2 of -6 is -3. This would be our standard form. Standard form. Okay? And there you go. We go from root form to standard form, just by distributing everything. Okay? All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to be the last question, last thing let's probably do for our root form of parabola, home review part 3. Let me make this full page in case you want to see everything. All right, and questions like this, well, you should definitely see how you midterm this week, right? So just go over these step by step. And again, if you're unsure about how we got certain things, ask a question in the comment section below. All right, everybody, thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys soon because we got to do definitely a review for our midterm coming up. All right, thanks, everybody. Take care. Be safe.